Hey over there at Bowden Fence. This is Kimberly with Elite Roots Digital Marketing Agency. I reached out and spoke with John on Friday, promising this short video giving you a few tips to help you increase your online traffic. Now, and I don't want to waste anyone's time, so at the end of this video, if you like what you've heard and would like any further help getting more leads for your business, then give me a call. If not, no harm, no foul. Take these tips and use them for yourself. If you could, the only thing I do ask is just a quick sentence or two of feedback on this video, either in the comments or as a response to the email that sent you this video link. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'd like to go over is going to be your website and content. So as I kind of scroll through your website, there's a lot of things I like. I love that you have your big phone number and it's a click to call right there, right in front of your face. That's perfect. And then this get a free quote is great. I'm glad you have that there. You've got, again, your address and phone number right there. I love seeing multiple places where you've got your phone number. As I continue to scroll through, one of the biggest things that I kind of see that you're lacking on is just in general content. Now, when I'm talking about content, I mean everything here on your front page of your website. And I love how open and spacious it is. This part of your website is actually my favorite, this top bar. After that, we've got a lot of open spaces, which can be a great thing to have, but with you lacking that content, we really need to fill some of that in. Google really likes to see 1,500 or more words on a website, especially on a front page. And I know it sounds like it could be really wordy, but it's really just about how the site is put together. It doesn't have to seem really wordy. A lot of designers just don't know how to put together a website well with that much content. So a lot of them you just don't see that much. But that is something that Google really likes to see. Now, not only do the Google algorithms really like content is king in Google's eyes, but that also gives you tons of opportunities to plug in keywords and key phrases into the content in your site so that you can get found for those services that you want to be found for. Ranking in the very top position for keywords and key phrases really will help get you more traffic to your site and therefore more leads for your business. So this is really my first tip for you. Do your best to get more unique, keyword-rich content on your site, and this alone will help you so much. Alright, so the next thing I'd like to talk to you about is actually your Google Business Profile. So if I come over here and we look at a quick keyword search, which is fence installation, Columbus, Ohio, and actually over here I'll show you this particular keyword has a volume of 600, so 600 times in a month someone in Columbus, Ohio, or at least hopefully from Columbus, Ohio, is searching fence installation in Columbus, Ohio. So that particular term is being searched 600 times in a month. So that's why I went ahead and picked this particular keyword to run for my search when I'm looking at your competition. The first thing you normally see up here is going to be ads, but there aren't any for this particular keyword, so that's okay. Google Ads are pay-per-click and something that can be absolutely wonderful to get those quick leads in for your business. The next area here is the Google Map Pack, which is where your Google business page would be listed if you were in the top 3 here. Of course, if I hit View All over here, you do end up coming up. I believe you were in the 8th position, if I remember correctly. So not too bad, definitely up there in the top 10, but getting you up into this top 3, these top 3 businesses will actually get 40% of the traffic for this particular keyword. 40%. So we saw that the volume for this particular keyword was 600. So these 3 businesses are sharing about 250, 275, somewhere in there. Clicks or traffic or phone calls, they're sharing it, but that's a lot. That's a lot of leads that you're missing out on by not being in this top 3. Another thing that really goes into, there's a couple of things that go into getting your business into this very top or top 3 positions. And with you being in position number 8, you don't have a lot of ground to cover. You can get into this top position pretty easy. So I have your particular Google business page pulled up here, your Google My Business. And you've got most everything filled out. That is something I always like to point out, is that you really want to make sure you have everything possible filled out in your page. So just kind of log in and make sure that you've got everything answered that you possibly can. You've got a pretty good amount of reviews, 26 reviews, giving you a 4.2. So really continue to push for those 5-star reviews. That's really going to help you rank as well in the map pack section. And the only other thing I can suggest for you, as far as your business page here or your business profile, is in these photos, make sure you're saving them as keywords. Make sure you have a lot of them. And then something else I always suggest is try and geotag them if you're able. Geotagging kind of shows Google a general area of where you're actually providing those services. The other thing that really goes into getting you up into this top section is going to be citations. Citations really pull a lot of weight in getting you into these top 3 spots. Now, what is a citation? A citation is a listing of your business in a directory across the web. Directories like Angie or Yellow Pages, Yelp, those are all directories. The more directories you can be in, the better. And how do you get in more? Look at these top 3 places, see what directories that they're in, get into those exact same directories, and then go out and try and find more. There's actually hundreds and hundreds of directories out there on the web. You just have to find them. Alright, so the last thing I'd like to talk to you about is going to be backlinks, and backlinks have a lot to do with this area down here. Of course, your content and your website, keywords on your website is really gonna influence that a lot as well, but backlinks have so much to do with this area down here. So let's go ahead and take a peek at what you've got going on. So if we look here, we've got 212 backlinks coming from 46 referring domains. And that's helping you rank for 59 keywords right now. Now, in all of that together, you're getting 109 clicks to your website. Now, and what is a backlink? A backlink is a link from one website back to yours. And they're not all created equal. A lot of those citations we just talked about will give you a backlink. However, those are not the strongest ones out there. We really want to search for strong backlinks. Now, and a strong backlink is going to be a link that's on a page that relates to fencing contractors. Maybe it's even another fencing contractor clear on the other side of the state or even in another state that's willing to put a link to your website on there saying, hey, if you're in the Columbus, Ohio area, these guys are great. That'd be a really strong backlink, especially if their site is even stronger than yours. Backlinks is strength. Strength is backlinks. Alright, so let's take a peek at your competition in the area. This Bowden Fence Company is the top in that organic section right now. They have 122 referring domains, giving them 939 backlinks, getting them ranked for 305 keywords, and that is giving them traffic of about 540 clicks per month. Now, and as we saw, you only had 109. So what would you do with another 530 clicks to your site? How many more clients would you actually gain from that? How many clients are you missing out on by not being in that top spot? So those are kind of things that I want you to think about, and see if you can get more backlinks to your site, see if you can get more citations for your Google business profile, get that ranking up a higher, and go into your website and just kind of make sure that you've got everything all situated, you got more of that unique keyword-rich content. So that's all I have for you in this quick video. If you'd like to know more on how I can help grow your business and bring you new customers, please reach out and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy these free tips I've given you. If you don't mind, please do give me a little bit of feedback on how I did on this video, whether you're interested or not. It'd be greatly appreciated. I hope you did find it helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.